from Bali's back and forth with Banele, Zama and Pablo planning their revenge on the same Banele and Banele going back home, I think we can all agree that this week is going to be a very dramatic and entertaining week. So, on this video, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you some of the things that we can expect on Itonga starting from Monday the 24th to Friday the 28th of November 2025. So let's start with the video and start with the Monday episode that will be airing on the 24th of November 2025. And this is episode 191, and the title of this episode is Body and Soul. Mbali reels from betrayal and Zama's really turns to heartbreak. Amidst the chaos, a new life brings joy to the Magwaza homestead. Then the Tuesday episode that will be airing on the 25th of November 2025, episode 192, and the title of this episode is No Turning Back. Banele goes back home seeking forgiveness, but could he have bent all the bridges? Zama's pleas fall on deaf ears, and her heartbreak ignites Pablo's deadliest plan yet. Nwanda breaks down and turns to prayer, but not before she tears Petula apart. And now that takes us to the Wednesday episode, and this is episode 193, titled Parting is Such Sweet Sorrow. Can a desperate Zama stop Pablo now that his mind is set on destroying those who've hurt his daughter? Fear, grief, and guilt are driving Nwanda to sabotage her future with Mbongeni. Banele gets ready for a journey now, taking us to the Thursday episode, 27 November 2025. And this episode, number 194. And the title of this episode is No More Secrets. Mbongeni finally gets through to Nwanda in a very beautiful way. Makhumalo feels compelled to make a very tough decision that will affect her entire family. Now, the last episode of the week, Friday episode, that will be airing on the 28th of November 2025, and this is episode 195, Two Goodbyes. The Magwazas face a truth that shakes their very core and a farewell they never imagined. Zama pushes Pablo to a breaking point, but how far will his wrath push Zama? Now there, ladies and gentlemen, is what we can expect on your favorite show Itonga starting from Monday the 24th to Friday the 28th of November 2025. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.